Good morning student, this is your English period and today we will study in English literature workbook our first lesson The Man Cub. Today I will explain you this lesson. Student, this is our English literature workbook. And today this is our first lesson of English literature workbook The Man Cub, and today I will explain you this lesson. Lesson 1 The Man Cub. Let us read a passage about wolves. Let us read a passage about wolves. Mysterious wolves. Wolves are well known for their spine-chilling howl. A lovely wolf howls to draw the attention of a pack. Wolves of a pack howl together to send a message to another pack. Like dogs, wolves are known to howl in response to another wolves. Grey wolves are the most found land mammals after human beings. In the northern hemisphere, wolves rarely attack humans but are considered one of the world's most frightening natural enemies. In many ways, wolves are like human beings. Wolves of a pack often eat together. They are protective, loyal, and adapt easily to their environment. Wolves are known for their spine-chilling howl. In this story, a lonely wolf howled to draw the attention of a pack. Wolves of pack howl together to give message another wolf. In the northern hemisphere, grey wolves are the most found land mammals after human beings. Wolves are rarely attack humans, but they are considered one of the world's most frightening natural enemies. In many ways, wolves are like human beings. Wolves of a pack often eat together. They are protective, loyal, and adapt easily their environment. Wolves often attack domestic animals. Due to this, numerous wolves are killed by humans. In some part of the world, grey wolves have become almost extinct. Few grey wolves survive in Europe, but a large number are alive in Alaska, Canada, and Asia. Wolves often attack domestic animals. That's why lots of wolves are killed by humans. In some part of the world, grey wolves become almost extinct. Grey wolves are found in Europe, but mostly they are live in Alaska, Canada, and Asia. Wolves hunt in pack of 6 to 10. They wander for a long distance to find their prey. They hunt animals such as deer, elk, and moose, as well as eat birds, lizards, and fruits. They are an important part of our ecosystem. Wolves are hunt in pack of 6 to 10. Wolves wander for long distance to find their prey. Wolves hunt animals such as deer, elk, and moose, as well as eat birds, lizard, fruits, etc. Wolves are important part of our ecosystem. Student, now we understand our exercise A. Fill in the blanks with suitable words, phrases from the passage. Our first sentence is, wolves are well known for their dash. The answer is spine-chilling howl. Our next sentence is, dash wolves are the most found land mammals after humans in the dash. So our answer is, grey wolves are the most found land mammals after humans in the northern hemisphere. Our third sentence is, wolves are dash, dash and dash easily to their environment. So our answer is, wolves are protective, loyal and adapt easily to their environment. Our fourth sentence is, the dash and dash are among the animals hunted by wolves. So the answer is, the deer and elk are among the animals hunted by wolves. Our fifth sentence is, wolves are a very important part of our dash. So our answer is, wolves are a very important part of our ecosystem. So now we understand exercise B. Find synonyms of the following words in the passage. First word is reply and its synonym is response. Second word is carry and its synonym is frightening. Third word is adjust and its synonym is adopt. Fourth word is roam and its synonym is wonder.